So first I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Too Faced Chocolate Matte eyeshadow. It's like cream eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Warm and Fudgy. And I'm gonna blend that out with a blending brush. So I'm actually just gonna tap my brush onto the product. Tap a little bit on my hand so that way I'm not going in with just a full, you know, so the brush is nice and the product is nice and spread out on the brush. So I'm just gonna blend that onto my eyelid. Whoopsie. Didn't really want to go up that far, but I'm gonna have to go with it. So I'm trying to not get so close to my inner corner just because when you get your dark inner corner, it can look a little funky. Alright, I'm just gonna blend this out up here. And make sure I get really close to my lash line. And it's coming out to a matte consistency, which I like. And it makes your lid dark pretty fast. So I'm just going slightly above my crease here. Just blending it out. And I just see a little bit of patchiness, so I'm just gonna go in there. And I'm just gonna blend out these edges here. So they're looking a little. And I'm gonna go over to the other eye. And this is actually drying up pretty fast. I'm actually just gonna try to see if I tap this on the lid, if it's gonna work better than me tapping it on my hand. Yeah. So it works better if you tap it on your eyelid. Works so much better tapping it on your eyelid. I might have to touch this one up because this one's way more pigmented. And I love how matte it's drying. It's drying super matte like a shadow. It's so pretty. Could literally just set this with some setting powder and just leave it like this. It's a really pretty shade, but I am not gonna do that. Okay, I am going to pat on top of this the purpley glittery shade called Creative. And I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna tap that here in the inner half. And it has glitter, it's super pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm actually just gonna take a brush now. I'm gonna take this Morphe M330 brush and I'm gonna tap in the shade Creative and just try and get them to match. so pretty. You can see the sparkles just like coming through, and it's sticking over the brown shades really beautifully. I love it. Alright, so next I'm just gonna go in the crease. I'm just gonna touch a little bit of this pink, shade up in the corner, which is Peony. I'm just gonna touch that a little bit and then go up in the crease with that. Just to help balance this look a little bit. Morphe A29 by Ariel, and I'm gonna go in with this shade, this dark brown shade called Generous in the bottom corner, and pat that in the outer part. And I might have to go in with a darker shade. Actually, maybe not. I like that. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Creative with the glitter and just pat that on top because I really want those sparkles to shine through. And then I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with the shade Sunkissed right there. A small little highlighting brush. Like that, and just drag it in. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Creative, just a touch on top of that highlight there, so everything's nice and blended. On a flatter shading brush like this, I'm just gonna take the shade Creative and go under my lash line. So pretty. I feel like this shade has like those really pretty iridescent sparkles, and it also just like makes green eyes pop. And I'm not really a purple eyeshadow person, but this shade is absolutely beautiful. Just a smaller kind of blending brush and go in with that pink shade Peony and just blend out a little bit, just to like balance out the top and the bottom. Some nude eyeliner. This is LA Girl in the shade Super Bright. I put that on my bottom waterline. So for false lashes, I'm just gonna go in with these Kiss Style 09, these ones. Alright guys, false lashes are on, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.